Busan, South Korea is a great DIY cruise port when you're mobile. But what about our limited mobility parents? On our second trip here, we hired a private tour especially suited for their needs, with some adventure thrown in. For all the spots we went to, we'll grade each one for mobility ease, plus a secret local spot we would have never gotten to otherwise. In our previous Busan video, here's a link, we covered a one-day DIY experience from port, along with our usual practical details about the terminal, getting out, and getting around. Doable, but limited, and required some mobility. Another cruise, another opportunity, this time with our parents. Based on their limited mobility, we decided to go with a private tour so they can be driven around in comfort, which gave us greater reach across the city and accommodated our parents in the most efficient way possible. And we could do some homework ahead of time and customize our itinerary. For us, the single greatest benefit of a personalized tour. Even at a slightly higher rate from a ship tour, the ability to customize the experience was worth the extra money. Communication with our guide Sang via WhatsApp was excellent. We knew exactly where to meet up, specifically right at the terminal where our group could wait in the air conditioning. Here at the waiting area, waiting for our tour guide to come. It's by 8 o'clock.
Here, Troy.
Hi.
Troy. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Kevin. Nice to meet you, Kevin.
Right on time and right in front. It was just a short, flat walk to the van. He even had a stool. So you guys are comfortable in here? It's nice and big, right?
Very comfortable. This car is for a total 12.
12
people.
Really?
3.
Van comfort was going to matter since Busan is a big place and there's lots of driving between points. But spectacular bridge views are a standard. So far, comfort? Check. A+. Our first stop was also the farthest, Haedong Yonggungsa Temple, about 12 miles away and a 45-minute drive. He found a great parking spot right next to a good restroom. In decent shape, but be careful if the floor is wet. The only challenge was the walk. No getting around it, there will be some walking involved getting to the temple complex, past the street, and colorful vendors. This was, after all, one of Korea's most famous temples, a 14th century complex built into the coastal cliffs. But the walk to the temple entrance is flat. We first see the zodiac statues.
So zodiac used to be it's a symbol of the guardian. During the ancient time, there's one kingdom called Silla. They used to decorate the barrier mount with the 12 zodiacs. Following the Buddhist belief, they believe reincarnation. So some of the kings from that era, they said they're gonna reborn as some other creature like a dragon. So by decorating the tomb by the zodiac, they wish it.
Oh.
Yeah. You see the one pagoda? Yeah. Pagoda is for traffic safety. You see the black thing, that's a wheel.
Car accidents in Korea?
Right, car accident and everything. Yeah, but funny thing is they pray every year, but they never drive safely though.
For limited mobility, this section is easy. You can easily navigate the entrance area. This area is flat and paved. Walking to the main temple complex, however, takes some effort. There are uphill sections where one can opt to take the surface road up to a point, or take the stairs. No elevators. But no matter what, there will be some stairs. Now, it's best to come early. This place is a prime tourist spot and gets packed later in the day. It's known as the Temple of Three Wishes. The marketing claim that at least one of your prayers will be answered here. For example, the granting the Sun Buddha, if you want a firstborn son.
So you see the belly is black, people touch the belly a lot. So till my parent generation, they prayed for having a son more.
But I have already so many kids.
So many kids? You can pray for the grandkids.
For the second wife.
Toss in your coins to the luck fountain.
For the big wish, you can target the upper one. Small wish, lower one.
Do you get extra points for landing it right in the bowl?
Yes, that's a bowl. So if you land it on the bowl, your wish will come through.
Like when you get it like just in the middle of the bowl, you get extra points. But guys, don't throw coins more than 10 times. Then it's gambling. It's not allowed in Korea.
And the roof tile writing, where you write your wishes on a black tile that'll eventually be used for roof repairs, becoming part of the structure.
So what should we put, people?
Up to you, you're the one with the big plan.
How about everybody put different wishes? Like, so your own, yeah.
Need a big thinker.
I'm trying to
I wish to get the pen open.
I know.
The vibe is bustling but orderly, with a fabulous coastal view. Great public bathrooms, of course. But those stairs are going to be a challenge. Our parents were troopers and made it with a cane, but it was slow. The grounds are very well maintained, nothing broken, no litter, but this site was definitely the most rigorous of the day. For our parents' mobility, I'd give this a C+. Clean, organized, but no getting around those steps. Next, we took a tram ride, or rather an old capsule glide, above Haeundae Blueline Park. It's called the Sky Capsule, and it's as gentle gets. A snail's pace 4 km/h, 30-minute ride above the green railway coastal walk, the new skywalk, and cityscape views as you approach Mippo and the edge of Haeundae and the famous beach. It's also cute. Tiny 4-person capsules with little touches like this inventive little device that works with your cell phone.
You play the music, you put it in there, and then it's literally physically amplified.
It's like a natural amplifier. And lots of photo opportunities, of course. The capsules are level with the boarding platform. A standard-sized manual wheelchair or a compact power chair can fit inside. However, because it's a small pod, a large specialized reclining wheelchair might be a tight squeeze. For mobility access, this is great. The stations have elevators, staff assistants, bathrooms, and shops. Mippo Station is the popular start point, being near the beach, so Sang pulled a pro move. We started at the opposite end of the line at Cheongsa-po. That way, we entered at the less crowded station and exited where everyone else was standing in line to get in. This is why you hire folks in the know, because you avoid that long line, you go to the other side. Exactly. That's perfect.
Yeah. And also normally many 5-star hotels are located in the beach area here.
Right.
So people start to take it from here. That's why my company took it from the other side.
I'd give this an A+. Easy, fun, and with great views. The next stop posed a bit of a challenge since it was way up a hill on the opposite side of town. Gamcheon Culture Village. This is an active neighborhood that transformed from a 1950s war refugee housing district to a vibrant arts community. Roaming is the name of the game here, with lots of cute stores, art, murals, and traditional dresses for rent to get that perfect photo op. But it is hilly and, frankly, a challenge for our parents who opted to stay in the car. But that's not entirely a bad strategy, since you can be driven to certain points in the area, like staying on the main road and enjoying some roadside views. We stayed at the top portion of the hill, avoiding the famous 148 stairs to see stars, so named because it's supposed to make you dizzy going up there at the base of the hill. For the steep roads and alleys, mobility is frankly a D, but by car, it can be a B+. Now, you may choose to do lots of other stuff on your own, which is an option. For an extra boost in your travels, we came up with our Essential Port Guide PDF, a handy downloadable cheat sheet with essential info like landmarks and ATMs in a handy color-coded map. We also threw in our Google Map curated list of attractions and essentials with walking directions. If you want to give our available and growing collection of guides a spin, see our link in the description or check out our store at portlowdown.com. Last but not least, lunch.
Anyway, I'll take you to the old town area. There's a fish market area. You wanted to try the local cuisine. Then how about...
But is it really the fish market? I know it's very famous, but do the local go there?
Yeah, local go there. But locals go there from Friday to Sunday. So today is a weekday, probably not very busy now.
Oh,
But locals go there to drink a lot.
Oh,
So, you know, you've heard about the Korean working culture.
Yeah.
Normally from Friday night to the Sunday night, you see more domestic people. But during the weekday, more foreigners.
But it wasn't the famous Jagalchi market. Instead, it was next door, Sindonga Fish Market. While Jagalchi is sprawling and includes a massive outdoor wet market, Sindonga is more shopping center style indoor market. It's cleaner, less chaotic, and significantly better organized for someone with a cane. Still an outdoor market near the entrance.
You can see here, they put all the fishes like outdoor.
Right.
So when you see the customers here, their average age is like a little high. Because when they were young, it was the only market that they used to come here and they still come here.
Once inside the ground floor, easy access to very fresh seafood for lunch.
So here they keep everything live, everything fresh, but outside it's fresh but frozen.
Dead. Oh, right,
Dead.
right.
So that's the big difference.
Sindonga is generally quieter and, as of recording, remains a local secret with more transparent pricing and less haggling fatigue. Just mind water near the tanks. They keep the floors pretty dry for the most part, and the aisles are wide enough to maneuver, but just be careful. Each respective vendor has their own stall, and cooks the catch for you right on the spot. We let Sang pick the stall, but we picked the food.
Which one?
I don't know, Mom. What are all these guys? Oh, these are like sea cucumber, right? With each vendor having their own take on appetite.
The flatfish, yellow cocker, right?
Yeah.
Abalone, pork.
Oh, okay. Traditional pancake with fish and shrimp, and somewhat more adventurous choices. This is sanakji, living octopus, and while the brain is destroyed during preparation, the nervous system is so complex that nerve impulses continue to fire for an extended period, which causes the tentacles to wreathe and the suction cups to function. Crucially, the rule is to chew everything thoroughly before swallowing. Take your time. You don't want suction cups to stick to your throat. Now avoid this if you have trouble swallowing.
I like it with the red sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah. It tastes good, to be honest. It tastes like octopus.
Right.
You don't really taste that it's swirling in your mouth, you know? It tastes fresh. Oh, whoa, they're fighting it. Look at that.
With flat floors, reliable elevators, and standard table seating on the upper floors too, it removes the physical barriers that make most fish markets a bit of a struggle. And the AC is a big plus. A solid B+. Points off for potential wet spots. Last, we go to that local secret spot we promised. Busan is a huge city, and it's nice to take it in from a high vantage. So Sang took us up to Hwanyeong-san, to Cafe Cloud Hill. This spot is nearly impossible for a tourist to reach without a private driver. It's way up the mountain, but that's the point. And it provides the only super wide panoramic view where you can see the city, the sea, and mountain ranges all at once. We parked right at the entrance and got all the benefits of huge windows and a flat observation deck with zero effort. A solid mobility A+.
This is the reason why you hire local guides, because they bring you to their favorite spot. You should try this. Oh my god, this is heavenly.
What is it?
It's a sweet potato latte.
What?
You could have it cold and you could have it hot too. It is so good. I never ever tried this. It's sweet, smooth, and definitely tastes like a sweet potato.
Now, while these spots were selected by us, with some more difficult for our parents and others, the overall day was a solid A. The difference was Sang. Professional, patient, and accommodating, he seemed to know all the best parking spots, the inside hacks, and the often missed hidden gems. When he dropped us off exactly where we started, we felt more refreshed than drained. If you get a chance to take his tours, tell him we sent you. Bye-bye. If you got good value from this video, be sure to like and share with your shipmates. And keep those comments and questions coming. We really look forward to hearing from you. See you on the next cruise.